Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how do we program for array rotation and to find the position of an element. If you want to find the position of an element, the array must be unique, right? If there is a array containing two similar element, then of course the compiler will be confused to give which element's position. So array must be unique for this. Now let's first program for whatever the input has to be. So int n is going to be the size of an array. A of 100 is the array that we are going to use to get the array elements from the user, and b of 100 is the array that I'm going to use to store the elements after the rotation, and k is going to take the position at which the rotation has to happen, and then target is going to take the element whose position has to be found. Okay, so now let's get everything from the user. Let's ask the user to enter the size of an array. Okay, size of an array will be stored in n ampersand n. Next is the array elements. Print function enter array elements. From next line it will start. So for getting an array elements, we use for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, next it will come out. Scan function percentile d ampersand a of I will take all the elements from the user. And next is the third input, that is the position at which the rotation should happen, at which the rotation should take place. Now that value will be stored in ampersand k. In k it is going to store the value. Done. After that is the element whose position should be found. So print function element whose position should be found, right? Yes. So now that value will be stored in target. Before this, I've already mentioned the array elements should not repeat, right? So for that, let's write a simple code. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Next, within a for loop, I'm writing another for loop. Okay, now I'm taking int j. J will start from I plus 1 value, and j is still less than n, and j is also going to increase. And next, if a of I is same as a of j, then it has to print the array elements are not unique. The array elements are not unique. Okay. Array elements are not unique. It will print and it will exit the program. Okay. This is what it is going to do. After that, it will not even take the position at which the rotation should happen or the element whose position should be found. So these are the input format. Okay. Now let's first perform a program for rotation. So for rotation, we'll take a for loop in I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. It is same as taking the value from the user. Okay. So B, already I told array B will store the values after rotation. So first element of B will take the value of A of k, and next what is going to happen? If k value is still less than n minus 1, k has to increment. Okay. If not, the k value will go to 0. Okay. So let me say how is this working. Let me take an example. N value is 6 and the array elements are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 87. Okay. K value is 4. At fourth position, we have to do rotation. How is this going to happen? I value is 0. First I value is 0. Is 0 less than n? N value is 6. Is 0 less than 6? True. Now B of 0 is going to take the value of A of k. K is 4, right? A of 4. What is the value stored at fourth position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Okay. So first array, okay, this is B array. Array B will have these values. So first it is going to have 9. Next, k value now is 4. Is 4 less than 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, next it will increment. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this value is going to change to 5. Next it will go here. I value first gets incremented. So I value becomes 1. It checks whether 1 is less than 6. It is true. So B of 1 will take the value of A of 5. A of 5 is 87. So second element is 87. Next it comes over here. Is 5 less than 5? False. So K value is going to be 0. So K value is going to take 0. Now it comes here. It will increment I. Is 2 less than 6? True. So B of 2 will take the value of A of 0. A of 0 is 2. Third term is 2, or the second position is taking 2. Next, 2 less than 5. 0. Sorry, here it is 0, right? 0 is less than 5. It's true. K is going to get incremented. So A of 1. Now I incrementation happen. 2 plus 1 is 3. Is 3 less than 6? It is true. B of 3 is equal to A of 1. A of 1 value is 3. And then array B will come like this. Next, is 1 less than 5? True. So incrementation happens. 1 is changing to 2. 3 for I also incrementation happen. 4. So is 4 less than 6? It's true. Comes inside this loop. Then 4. Already K value changed. Now A of is 5. So the array element is going to come like this. 5. Next, is 2 less than 5? Yes, it's true. Incrementation of K. K value is 3 now. Next, it comes out of this for loop. It increment I. I is 5. Is 5 less than 6? It's true. It comes here. The fifth element of fifth position of array B will take A of 3. A of 3 is 7. Right? Next, it will come here. It will change the value. Next, it will go. Is 3 less than 5? It's true. K will get incremented. It comes over here. I incrementation happens. Is 6 less than 6? Now is 6 less than 6? No, it's not. Now it comes out of this loop and it prints this array elements. So these are the elements that it is going to print. Okay. This is the rotation program that we perform. After this, let us write a program to print the elements of B. Let's write a program. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay. Now it will print the elements of array B. Printf, after some space it will print. Okay. So printf in the next, no, it's percentile D, tab, comma, P of I. Okay. So it will print the elements after rotation. Let's also write that. The elements after rotation is as follows. Okay. Next it has to search the position of the element, right? Now in the array B, here itself will write. Okay. So if target is same as B of I, then what it has to return? It has to return the value of I, right? So to get the value of I, let's say let's also declare a variable named t, which gets the position of the element. Okay. Position of the target. If target is same as B of I, then t will take the value of I. Now it's done. Next, let's print function the element whatever that we have given in target is at position. It returns the value. How it is returning? After this, percentile D. First percentile D is for the target and second percentile D is for the position of that target. Okay. So now let's see how is this program going to work. Okay. This is how our output screen is looking. So enter the size of an array. I'm going to enter 6 is the size of an array. So let me enter the same elements that I have given in the program. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 87. Next, at fourth position, I have to rotate. Element whose position should be found is, for element 5, I have to find the position after the rotation. So see, after the rotation is 9, 87, 2, 3, 5 and 7. After that, the element 5 is at position 4. This is how our output screen is looking. Also, we have given other condition. If the elements are like not unique, it has to print the elements are not unique, right? Let's see for that. To enter 5 elements in an array. So 5. Then the elements are 2, 3, 3, 7 and 9. See, it's printing the array elements are not unique. Okay, it's not even taking the position at which the elements has to be swapped. Okay, so this is our output screen looks. Thank you for watching this video. If you still have If you still find any confusion or have any doubt in this program or any other, please do comment. Thank you for watching.